In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron expression trigger in n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open a new workflow. To do this, navigate to your n8n workspace. When you arrive, you should see a blank workflow canvas waiting for you to bring your ideas to life. Once you're there, let's proceed to the next step. Next, we need to add the schedule trigger node. You'll see an option that says Add a First Step. Click on that to open the node picker. In the search bar, type Schedule Trigger. Once it appears in the list, go ahead and click to add it to your canvas. Now that you have the Schedule Trigger node on your canvas, let's select the interval mode. With the node selected, you'll see various settings. Here, choose the trigger interval. This mode allows you to effectively configure cron-like automated timing using simple fields, so you don't have to write raw cron strings, which can be quite tricky if you're not familiar with them. With the interval mode selected, it's time to set the days between triggers. Think about how often you want this workflow to run. For example, if you enter 1, it will execute daily. If you enter 7, it indicates a run once a week. It's really about setting the frequency that best fits your needs. Next up, let's configure the time. This part is crucial. You will start by selecting when you want your trigger to happen during the day. Enter the start hour using a 24-hour clock format. For instance, if you want it to trigger at 3 p.m., you would enter 15, or if it's 8 a.m., you would enter 8. Just remember, the execution time you set will align with your n8n instance's time zone settings, so make sure you are aware of that when configuring it. Then, you'll move on to setting the exact minute within that hour. For instance, if you want the trigger to activate right on the hour, you would simply enter 00. Now we are getting close. It's time to test the trigger. Look for the button that says Test Trigger. Clicking this will manually fire the node once, allowing you to see if everything is set up correctly. If everything is configured the way it should be, you should see an execution start directly from the Schedule Trigger node right on your canvas. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a cron expression trigger in n8n. This powerful feature can automate your workflows, allowing them to run at intervals that suit your projects. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy automating,